Imagine a crab with a leg span of over 12 feet. That's the Japanese spider crab, a truly colossal creature that prowls the depths of the Pacific Ocean. It's the largest arthropod in the world, and its massive claws and long, spindly legs make it look like something out of a science fiction movie. But don't be fooled by its ferocious appearance. The Japanese spider crab is actually a gentle giant, feeding on a diet of algae, mollusks, and even the occasional dead fish. We'll explore the life cycle of this fascinating creature, from its tiny larval stage to its massive adult form. We'll also examine its unique defense mechanisms, including its ability to camouflage itself by adorning its shell with sponges and other marine organisms. The Japanese spider crab is a truly remarkable animal, and its fascinating adaptations make it a popular attraction at aquariums around the world. The Japanese spider crab is a fascinating species of crab, with a unique history and intriguing adaptations. Its scientific name is Macrochera kempferi, a name that honors Engelbert Kempfer, a German naturalist who lived in Japan during the late 17th century. This crab's appearance alone makes it stand out. The Japanese spider crab has a unique combination of features. It has a pear-shaped carapace, a short and curved spine, and small spike-like projections. One interesting feature is the movable antenna at the basal segment, which is a primitive feature found in its family. The Japanese spider crab also has a unique molting behavior, which occurs for about 100 minutes. During this process, the crab loses its mobility and starts shedding its carapace and legs in a specific sequence. The Japanese spider crab is not only a fascinating species, but also a crucial part of its ecosystem. It's an omnivore, consuming both plant and animal matter, and also sometimes acts as a scavenger. But its population is facing threats from overfishing, making conservation efforts crucial to protect this unique species. The Japanese spider crab has a long and fascinating history. It was first described by Western science in 1836 by Coenraad Jacob Temminck, based on specimens collected by Philip Franz von Siebold near the artificial island of Dejima. The species binomial name, Macrochera kempferi, honors Engelbert Kempfer, a German naturalist who studied Japan in the late 1700s. The Japanese spider crab has undergone several taxonomic changes since its initial description. It was initially classified as Maja kempferi, then moved to the genus Inochus, and finally placed in a new subgenus, Macrochera. This subgenus was eventually elevated to genus status in 1886 by Edward J. Mears. The Japanese spider crab's life cycle is a complex and intriguing journey. Females carry their fertilized eggs on their abdominal appendages until they hatch into tiny planktonic larvae. These larvae undergo several developmental stages before they mature into adults, including a prozoal stage, two zoal stages, and a megalopa stage. Each stage is influenced by temperature, with warmer waters speeding up development. The larval stages are spent near the surface, where they drift with ocean currents. The adult crabs, however, inhabit deeper waters. This change in habitat is a fascinating adaptation that reflects the crab's unique life cycle. The Japanese spider crab is a delicacy in many parts of Japan, and is often caught by fishermen using small trawling nets. However, overfishing has led to a decline in the crab's population, forcing fishermen to explore deeper waters to catch them. To protect the species, Japanese fisheries have implemented regulations to prevent overfishing and to ensure the survival of the Japanese spider crab population. These regulations include a ban on fishing during the mating season and efforts to restock the population with artificially cultured juvenile crabs. These efforts are crucial to ensuring the long-term sustainability of this unique and fascinating species. The Japanese spider crab is a captivating creature for its unique features. It has a giant leg span, reaching up to 12 feet from claw to claw. This crab can also grow to 16 inches in carapace width and can weigh up to 42 pounds. But what's even more interesting is the crab's docile nature. It doesn't shy away from humans, and is considered relatively gentle despite its imposing size. This gentle disposition makes it a popular attraction at aquariums around the world. The Japanese spider crab is a master of camouflage. It uses its bumpy carapace, which blends in with the rocky ocean floor, to avoid predators. To further enhance its camouflage, the crab decorates its shell with sponges and other marine organisms. This behavior is particularly interesting as the crab follows a specific routine when decorating itself. The Japanese spider crab carefully selects and attaches these organisms to its exoskeleton, resulting in a natural, yet effective, camouflage. Despite its impressive size, the Japanese spider crab is not a formidable predator. It feeds mainly on mollusks, sea urchins, and algae, sometimes scavenging for dead fish. The Japanese spider crab uses its long legs and strong claws to reach its food and can easily crush the shells of its prey. Although it's an impressive sight, the Japanese spider crab's diet is surprisingly gentle, highlighting its adaptable nature in the deep ocean. The Japanese spider crab's habitat is the deep ocean, ranging from 50 to 600 meters. They prefer the deeper parts of the ocean where they inhabit vents and holes, but have been found in shallower waters during mating season. These crabs are found primarily off the southern coast of Honshu, the main island of Japan. This area has the ideal conditions for the Japanese spider crab to thrive. Although this crab has been found in other locations, it's primarily associated with the waters surrounding Japan. The Japanese spider crab plays an important role in the marine ecosystem. It is a food source for other predators, such as sharks and large fish. Its diet also helps control the populations of mollusks, sea urchins, and other invertebrates. The Japanese spider crab, even in its gentle nature, is a crucial part of the ocean's delicate balance. It contributes to the health of the ecosystem by maintaining the natural food web.